everyone, Dav Spear here from Smith's in Swansea, and today we're at a 4-bedroom detached property which is behind me here. It's known as the old schoolhouse locally. Take a little look for yourself and I'll speak to you soon. The large footprints to the old schoolhouse comprises of an entrance hallway leading off into a reception room or couch, large dining room, a homely living room with log burner, a kitchen comprising of Belfast sink, fitted appliances and access into a lovely pantry, and a downstairs bathroom fully fitted and storage as well. To the first floor we have a lovely footprint with a split level landing leading to 4 bedrooms and family bathroom. The outdoor space is incredible with wraparound gardens, barbecue setting just behind you there, and a fantastic gazebo situated in a beautiful spot. And let's be honest, you could have a beautiful hot tub here in the summertime and enjoy a real nice atmosphere, social gathering or family get together. So that was our property in Clydach. St John's Road is on the market, the old schoolhouse. 4 bedrooms, a lovely footprint and wraparound gardens. This ideal location is super convenient. We are close to all amenities, bars, restaurants, shops, the local schools including a Welsh school, walks through the waterfalls just down the road, as well as close to the Mon Valley Golf Club and the M4 corridor as well. It's an ideal spot, an ideal location to put your footprint in, so please give us a call when you can. Call me directly, my number's on the screen, or contact our office. I'll be delighted to speak to you and book you in for our viewing day. Thank you.